The Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty takes you on a tour of this gorgeous all-brick, 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. This home is so impeccably maintained and beautiful, you'll be amazed when you see the inside. Let's take a look.
Hi, I'm Heather Hendricks with the Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty with my partner John Schaub behind the camera.
Hi there.
And our teammate Tracy Cox.
Hey, good morning.
And today we are going to take you on a tour of this really cute home in Carlisle Highlands here in Mountain Home, Arkansas. It is 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath, and I think they're gonna love it.
Oh yeah, it's very nice home, very nice home.
All brick exterior and everything is in mint condition. So let's go on in, John.
Let's take a look.
Hi guys.
Hey, Jay. Come on in.
Yep.
Oh my, look at this. What a beautiful home.
I know, isn't it? It's gorgeous.
Yes.
I mean, you're immediately in awe when you walk in.
Yes, very homey.
It's very open.
Nice fireplace.
I love that the same brick is on the exterior too, so it kind of just blends in.
Is that a gas fireplace?
It is, yes.
Nice.
So you have natural gas here, and this is a pretty open living room, dining room area. And if you look over, look how large that table is. You can fit all your family and friends.
Lots of windows and doors for light. So it's very bright in here.
And I'm excited to show you guys the kitchen.
Isn't this beautiful?
Wow, look at that.
I know, nice and bright. You have new cabinets, and they are the easy to close ones.
Oh yeah, I love those.
And easy to close drawers too. Look at that. Beautiful granite countertops. And all nice stainless steel appliances that are staying. You have your dishwasher and your refrigerator over here. Double oven. And it is super clean and ready for you. And you have your stove top and your microwave too. And these drawers are pretty deep to hold all of your stuff. And you have a lazy-suzan.
Just beat it up, Heather.
Maybe I won't go all the way around.
Let's see this.
And a gorgeous side-by-side refrigerator, freezer. Appliances are in very good shape. They look brand new.
And I like the little nook that's over there too.
Oh yeah, you've got a little cabinet area over here with glass doors. And this would be great for like a little coffee area also.
For sure.
Coffee section.
And it is, all of it is wired underneath the cabinets for lighting if you wanted to put lighting under there.
Oh yeah, great.
And I thought this was really cute what the owners did, but they have, if you have grandchildren or children that come, they have put little whiteboards under there so that they can draw while you're in the kitchen.
Can you draw something, Heather?
Well, if I had a marker right now, I could. But I thought that was a really cute idea. It is.
Let him mark on that wall.
Instead of the other walls.
So the nice little eat-in kitchen here.
Yeah, you have a little breakfast table, or
Table, yeah.
kids or grandkids too could be doing homework right in here
Oh yeah.
while you're getting dinner ready.
And this is the second living area in the back of the house. It's got built-in, gorgeous built-in wood shelves.
I love those. Those are
Yes.
beautiful.
Pictures, books, whatever you like. Exit door to the side of the house.
There's so much light in this house.
There is.
And Tracy, show John what's in that closet back there. It's not just a regular coat closet.
Let's take a look.
Oh, it's a computer
Oh
station.
yeah.
I like that it is tucked out of the way and you don't have your paperwork just showing everywhere, especially if you have guests come over or family to watch the game in your family room.
I'm glad I don't live in this house. Somebody would close me in there. This is beautiful.
It is, and it's still nice and open to the kitchen area. And just right around from the little breakfast table here too, we have a half bath. So come on in here, John. Once again, you have the nice updated cabinets. And you have a utility sink right here.
And I love how everything is just so fresh and clean.
It is, yes. You have beautiful tile floors, and they're here. You can.
Oh, there's the laundry area.
Yep.
So
And
convenient.
the washer and dryer are staying, and I like that you have cabinets above there for extra storage.
Right.
And you can close it off so you can't hear the dryer going.
Right, but you got a sorting table here when you need it.
That's right.
Great.
Tracy, let's take them to the garage.
Great. Come on in, John. I like it that the garage is right off the kitchen. That's one of my things. I want to be able to bring the groceries right into the kitchen and unload the car.
The benches, and look at the cabinetry here.
I know. It's everywhere.
Right.
Cabinets for days.
Keep all your tools stocked, and you have
When the owner remodeled, he took all the old cabinets out and put them in the garage.
Well, that's a good idea.
There's the water softener system back there in the corner.
And you have your attic access right here, very convenient.
Okay.
And you know, one thing that I really like is all of the noise level is on this side of the house, and then you have your bedrooms on the other. So,
Let's head that way.
all right, John, let's go check out the bedrooms. Just on the other side of the entryway here.
This is plush carpet, isn't it?
It is. It's beautiful, well kept. And Tracy is opening up all
might
of
as well
the
go through the
closets here.
Wow.
Like I said, you can't go wrong with extra storage.
That is right. And then the first bedroom here. Wow, this is a nice sized guest bedroom.
It really is.
Yeah, a large closet all the way, just about the whole length of the wall.
And is this the primary bedroom or is it the guest bedroom?
This is the guest bedroom.
It is the guest. Good job, Beth.
Okay.
You have lots of storage and closet space.
Oh, you never win, Tracy. I didn't fly down
I
that.
don't either. Here is the guest bathroom. Very clean. You have a tub shower combo. And here is the primary bedroom. Very nice size. Overlooks the backyard.
Very
And-
relaxing. I like that wall color.
I do too. You have your ceiling fan. And the owner has even kept our business card up here. Remember us.
Every bedroom should have that card right
That's
in.
right.
There.
We're top of mind.
Right. Let me get a good look at this bedroom here. And there. I'm looking at little guy. Where are you, Heather?
We are in the bathroom here that has two closets, one on each side. And the owners do have the doors if you wanted to put those back in. And
Kept them real convenient.
Yes.
Right.
And you have two vanities. One has the sink, and Surface Tech was the ones who came in and did the countertops and as well as the shower.
Oh, I love the shower. Very nice. Let me get out of the way so you can see it, John.
That did a good job, didn't it?
Yes, they did. And now that we've seen the inside of the house, we have a surprise for you in the backyard.
Yes.
All right, John, just right off to the dining room on a nice day like today. You can come sit out here at your nice screened patio. It has tile floors. And look at the space in here. They have several sitting areas. You'd have your breakfast and coffee or your dinner.
Absolutely gorgeous day for a gorgeous screened in porch area. With
Right.
tile. I love the tile.
I do too.
It's nice and clean looking.
And you have a screen door that leads out into your backyard here. And we have a storage shed on the other side of the home.
What I like about it, there's not a lot of maintenance. You know, it's a quick quick mow, not a lot of grass to take care of.
You have brick exterior, easy to take care of. You have double doors here, and the storage shed is pretty deep, and it has electric. You can make this into a workshop area.
And fenced yard.
That's right, if you have pets or children, they're back here safe. And Tracy, like you said, this is on a corner lot. There's a cul-de-sac at the end, so you're not going to have a lot of traffic in the neighborhood other than the people living here.
Right,
and
that's nice, yeah.
it is. And you're very close to the park, the ball fields and walking trails, biking trails over here. You have all city utilities, and fiber internet is available. So, I mean, what more could you ask for?
right.
And you're probably about how far from Walmart? Maybe 10, 15 minutes?
Oh yeah, not far
Or
at
less
all.
than that.
Yes.
So,
So if somebody wanted to check out the house, what would they have to do?
well, you can go to follow us on Facebook, Google, or YouTube, or go to our website at enjoytheozarks.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.
To find out more about this beautiful home or to schedule a showing, go to enjoytheozarks.com. On Google or Facebook, search for the Ozarks Team. The Ozarks Team, Century 21 Lemac Realty, 1024 Highway 62B East in Mountain Home, Arkansas.